Hi friends, welcome back to yet again a very important option elimination trick which can help you solve UPSC Prelims question without any knowledge. Yes, you heard it right, without any knowledge. Guys, if you master my all option elimination trick and if you practice it sufficient number of times, let me tell you 20 to 25 questions in the UPSC Prelims paper you can easily solve without any knowledge. But you have to practice it n number of times. Many candidates think that option elimination is a tukka, is a fluke. Guys, this is not right. The elimination tricks which I have devised, which I have formulated through my experience of last 10 years UPSC prelims. Guys, I had the fortune of writing 6 prelims and I qualified 6 out of 6 prelims. You can see some of my scorecards here, 138, 144. I have scored one of the highest marks in the prelims examination, and for the last 3-4 years, I have helped more than thousands and thousands of aspirants to crack the UPSC prelims examination with my elimination tricks. Guys, but the thing is, you need to practice it. Most students, they just watch it and they forget it and they are unable to practice inside the exam hall. Guys, let me show you today how UPSC, I'm talking about the question setters, they want you to implement this elimination trick. And if you are not implementing this elimination trick, this means you are losing few easy marks. And today I am going to prove you through this 2 questions. I am going to take 2 questions, one from 2015 and one from 2022, the new pattern 2022. And you see how UPSC is framing similar kind of questions, just they are changing the theme. See, themes may change, but the science of elimination remains the same. So let us see that. Let us see this question, guys. So this is a question which came in the year 2015. Okay, this is 2015 question and this is 2022 question. One is on dugong environment question, one is on monazite geography question. You see, both are different subjects, both are different year. One is 2015 and one is 2022. 2015, many people say that it was an easy prelims examination. That time the cutoff was around 100 marks. Okay, now the cutoff is very low. Guys, it doesn't matter. The same tricks applies then also and the same trick will apply now also, because the question setters are the same. The psychology, the mindset of question setter remains the same. I always emphasize UPSC prelims examination is not about knowledge. Guys, if you are running after knowledge, you will keep on running after notes, running after coaching classes, you will keep on running. Guys, UPSC prelims examination is about a mindset, is about common sense, is about smartness, is about intelligence, and I am going to teach you. It's a learnable skill, guys. Many students think that it's something which is supernatural. No, guys, this is a learnable skill. I can teach you these tricks, guys. Let us see this question, guys. With reference to dugong, a mammal found in India, which of the following statements is or are correct? Many candidates, after seeing this factual question, this is a very, very factual question, guys, they will say, okay, I can't do this. I have not read about dugongs. Do not worry that you have not read about dugongs. Let us read the options. Let us read the statements. It is a herbivorous marine animal. I don't know. It is found along the entire coast of India. Extreme word. Entire coast of India is an extreme word, guys. Our coast is huge. Sir. And it is saying it is found in the entire coast of India. This is very extreme statement. I will remove this. One of the elimination tricks which I have created is extreme statements in UPSC are always incorrect, guys. So I eliminate this. So I eliminate this. I'm left with 1 and 3 and 3 only. 1 and 3 and 3 only. You can see here it is given a legal protection schedule under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Act. Okay, guys. So mostly if you see here, okay, you are now left with 1 and 3 and 3 only. So answer is 1 and 3. Guys, similarly you come to this question, guys. You can see, with reference to India, consider the following statements. With reference to India, consider the following statements. You can see here, monazite is a source of rare earths. Second, monazite contains thorium. Third statement, monazite occurs naturally in the entire Indian coastal sands in India. Again you see entire coastal. Again you see here entire coastal. You can see the same word is being used here and here. Same question. This is 2015 question. This is 2022 question. After 7 years. Same thing. You just eliminate 3. Eliminate 3. Eliminate 3. Eliminate 3. You get the answer 1, 2 and 4. You get the answer 1, 2 and 4. You see how is the same pattern. So this means what? The people who are framing these questions, they are the same people. They are using the same trick every year. So once you learn all these tricks, if you learn and you practice n number of times, guys, I have analyzed the last 20 years of UPSC Prelims paper, and all such tricks I have curated at one place, subject wise, in a very scientific manner. You can see here, polity elimination trick, economy elimination trick, CSE 2023, term based trick, science based trick, extreme words trick, okay, environment trick. Like this I have created all the templates. If you master these templates, guys, no one can stop you from qualifying the prelims examination. Guys, if you want to access this, the number will be given in the description of this video. Please go and watch this. This can save your 1 year, guys. Many students, they are willing to go to Delhi. They are willing to spend the lakhs and lakhs of rupees. They're going to Delhi, staying in PG, wasting their time, wasting their energy, but they are not doing the right stuff which can help them to crack prelims. Guys, I have made a list of important questions and all these tricks at one place, and I have created questions on using these tricks. If you practice those questions, guys, you will be able to master this like me, and you will also be able to score like me. Guys, with this, let me conclude. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.